We're here at a homeowner's house in Schertz, Texas, and have just completed exterior motorized solar shades for a homeowner here in Schertz, Texas. With a touch of the button, you can lower the shade and get complete control over that sun, that awful sun that comes in the summer months inside your home. This is an exterior motorized solar shade that is just a way cool idea for the homeowner to control that harsh sun that comes in the summer months. This is a job performed by Budget Blinds Northeast San Antonio.